What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, finally get something done that I wanted to get done for so long on this Camaro. So, been struggling with finding a shop to do this install for me, because some people have the skill to do what I'm trying to get done, but they just refuse to do it. They just don't like doing this kind of work. I understand it, and other people totally ignore me on that. Not going to mention any shops' names, but finally found somebody to do it. And the ironic thing about this, I already knew this person, but I forgot. You've all seen him before. He's just worked for me a few times on multiple cars. So speaking of these cars, finally got them both washed, so they're both clean. So I finally was able to wash them yesterday. Got really nice. Did a little montage of that too. Let's take a look at that right now. Yeah, working with some little editing skills with that, with the slow-mo. But yeah, let me hop in the car and get to where I gotta go, because I gotta get there within the next few minutes. But before you leave, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. So the mod that I am getting, it's not 100% of what I want. It's close enough though, because what I wanted was very particular and impossible to come across. And I'll jump into that later. But yeah, is that my Taycan? Nope. Yeah. Is that a Taycan or a Panamera? I don't know. But yeah, I had to settle for something, which I don't like doing, but I got tired of shopping around. Everybody I was calling, they didn't have what I was looking for, so I wanted to pick something because I wanted this mod done. So here we are, about to get it installed now. Got a '69 Mustang for the freaks. Is color original?
No, it's not.
Okay.
And it's going white actually.
White?
Yeah. White with a green. No, with black top with black interior.
Okay.
I actually like the color combination.
I like this green. Green interior too. Woo. I smell. Smell old, but really clean. Yeah, look at these floor mats. Got that plastic. My grandma used to have me sitting on the couch. Make sure your ass on that plastic, boy. 2x2. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Sure don't make them like they used to. Green dash. And crank windows. So you open the door. Woo. We got this crap right here. Alright, so what we're about to do, you know, we're at Sean's and we're about to get these calipers wrapped. And the color is not pink, but we got reflective blue. So it's not a perfect match, but once it starts reflecting off the light, it'll be a perfect match. So that's what we're gonna do. About to pull it in the garage now, get it installed. So the reason we couldn't get pink, so the 3M makes this specifically for calipers and the adhesive, so brakes get hot, so you have to be able to endure the heat that comes on the brake calipers. 3M makes the material for that, and it's reflective. I couldn't use the same pink material to do it because if the brakes get hot, it's going to melt and I have to get it wrapped again, and it's not that cheap to get it wrapped over and over again. So we got to use the proper material so we can wrap the brakes. So that's what we're going to do. And they come in like blue, purple, green, yellow, red, orange, black, white. But blue was the best for this car for me. Well, that's the one I like the most. Might do some pink accents on them because they can withstand them once they get the blue 3M on there. But we're going to see what's going to happen. So let's pull it in and get started. That Mustang though, I like this, huh? I got to give me a classic car too. Nothing else like them. Really don't make them like this anymore. And this reminds me of some other Mustang. I don't know if I built a model car like this, but this little, whatever this is, reminds me of something familiar. Is it a Fox body? I don't know. But yeah, got a new motor up in here, crate motor. Don't know what it is. But yeah, this thing is interesting. Got a little Honda over here too. Carbon fiber hood. VTEC. Wonder how it is. There's a lot of extra space up in here. The hood is like two finger that thing. Let's see what we got here. Definitely lower. Probably about to get some paint work, some body work. I'm like, I told y'all I want to say, oh, the doors. You know what they say? Doors go up. What comes down? I don't know if you're going to get that with this, but I like it. Man. Got the works. Some nice seats up in here. You got the right. Ooh. Got the right shifter in there. Man. How much does guy want to sell it for? Look at that. The red line on this thing though. 8,000. This could be my family car. Daily driver. Oops. Man. Dude probably can't keep the chicks off him.
Yeah, okay.
I need that. So we up in here now. About to go up. I'm about to lift back home while the car gets worked on. I'll just come back when it's done.
Stupid enough to do stuff.
Final product.
If you want to cut your flats on, I hit this light.
Oh yeah, let me I gotta figure it out. Oh, dang. I don't even think it's gonna pick up on the camera. Let me get some yeah, I mean, see if we can I still don't even see it. That's just not picking up on here. I have to do like a picture on the camera.
Yeah, I know if you use your phone, it shows up.
I'm gonna just take the picture with my phone.
Yeah, like I said, you just take a picture with your phone, it definitely show it.
Yeah, let me do that right now because it's not even. I can see it glowing a little bit. It just ain't showing up in the camera. Dang, that look crazy.
Yeah, and if you need me to hit the like, just let me know.
All right. Alright, so it's the next day. Me and Nate were talking for like over an hour after we got the car finished and I got it back in my possession. He did a fantastic job. Today is a horrible day to reveal a wrap because it's actually raining out here and I'm about to hurry up and wrap this up. But yeah, go check out my guy, Nate. He's Wraps It All LLC on Instagram. I'll link him down below in the description. Dude literally wraps everything. He got a computer, he'll wrap that. Got a car, he'll wrap that. He wrapped my Hellcat and my other Camaro. Wrapped this Camaro calipers. He put the orange stripes on my GT350. Dude wraps caskets. You can get a casket wrapped, and he does that. Like, and we talked for a long time about that. It's a lot that goes into that, but yeah, he wraps caskets too. If you want your casket wrapped, hit up Nate. Does very good work. Stands behind his work. Does a fantastic job. So let me walk around the car real quick. See, it looks different in the daytime, so it's bright. It depends on the angle though. It's kind of hard to get the right angle because it's dark and cloudy out here. But yeah, once the light hits it, it's like reminds me of a blue flame. Yeah, this looks really good. And I can't get on this side of the truck. Trying to find somewhere I can seek shelter from this rain. This ledge isn't as big as I thought it was. But I'll do some more stuff later. It's going to be raining for the whole day. And yeah, and I'm going to go back. I got some more plans for a little bit more detail with that. So stay tuned. I know I covered up the ZL1 logo and people tend to not like that, but I might put something else down there and make it my own. So that's going to wrap up today's video. Woo. Let me know what you think about the blue calipers. Like, I still want it pink, but the blue looks really good, and it's kind of changing my mind. But let me know what you think down in the comment section. So, I'm Q. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Got a lot of other content. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.